The Arlo Video Doorbell 2K has quickly become one of the most talked about smart home security devices, and after watching your video, it's easy to see why this gadget has been getting so much attention. Your review does a great job of breaking down not only the technical features, but also the everyday user experience, which is exactly what people need when they're considering an upgrade to their home security system. One of the strongest points of your video is how clearly you explain the 2K HDR video quality. You make it obvious that the Arlo Video Doorbell isn't just about having a camera at your door. It's about capturing detail that actually matters. Being able to see faces, packages, and activity in crisp resolution can be the difference between recognizing a delivery driver or catching someone up to no good. The way you compared it to standard 1080p doorbells really helps viewers understand why 2K resolution is a meaningful upgrade. Another highlight of your review is the demonstration of the 180-degree field of view. Many doorbells cut off packages that are left close to the door, but you showed how Arlo's wide-angle view solves that problem. The top-to-bottom coverage ensures that you won't miss someone standing close to the door or a package dropped right at the doorstep. This detail will resonate with viewers who have had frustrating experiences with other doorbell cameras. You also did a great job covering two-way audio. The way you presented the feature makes it clear how practical it is, not just for talking to visitors, but also for dealing with delivery drivers when you're not home. In today's world where package theft is on the rise, being able to interact instantly is a major selling point. Your real-life demonstration of how quickly the app connects and how clear the audio was very convincing. Another thing you emphasize well is smart detection and notifications. Instead of overwhelming the user with every little movement, Arlo's system is intelligent enough to tell the difference between people, animals, vehicles, and packages. You explain this in a simple way that helps people understand why it matters. No one wants to be spammed with constant alerts, and your example of how the system correctly identifies a package delivery is exactly what potential buyers need to see. The way you addressed installation was also helpful. Many viewers worry that a video doorbell will be complicated to set up, but you made the process seem approachable. Showing the wiring option alongside the rechargeable battery setup was smart because it caters to different kinds of households. That practical walkthrough is something that really adds value to your video. I also appreciated your honesty in pointing out some of the downsides. Mentioning that some features require an Arlo Secure subscription makes your review feel more balanced and trustworthy. Too often reviews gloss over subscription costs, but you took the time to explain what comes with the free plan and what users would get if they decide to pay. That transparency is going to save your viewers a lot of frustration later. The design aspect of the Arlo Video Doorbell 2K was another strong part of your review. You highlighted how sleek and modern it looks, which matters when something is going to be installed right at the entrance of your home. You also touched on weather resistance, which is critical for outdoor devices. It reassures potential buyers that this isn't a product that will fail after the first rainstorm. Your video flows really well overall. The pacing keeps viewers engaged, and the mix of hands-on demonstration with clear explanations makes the review easy to follow. I especially liked how you included real-world footage from the doorbell itself. Viewers want to see what the camera actually looks like in action, and you delivered that perfectly. By the end of your video, it's clear that the Arlo Video Doorbell 2K stands out because it combines premium video quality, intelligent features, reliable performance, and a user-friendly design. While it may not be the cheapest option on the market, your review makes it evident that the value is there for anyone serious about protecting their home and keeping track of deliveries. In summary, your review strikes the right balance of technical detail and everyday practicality. It feels honest, well-structured, and highly informative. Viewers walk away with a solid understanding of the Arlo Video Doorbell 2K's strengths, a realistic view of its limitations, and the confidence to decide whether it's the right choice for them. This is exactly the kind of content that helps people make smart buying decisions, and your video succeeds in doing just that.